base height and you pick your finishes. We just demonstrated a second ago that when you lock the top into the base via our patented system, you can move the table around the room just by the top, which makes operations very, very easy. To remove the top, place your foot on one of the crossbars, lift up, set and lock back in place, lock down, and you're in business. Storage is very easy with the Evolution system, so we're going to remove the top. Easy storage with Evolution bases, regardless of height or shape. They fold. Stack them on a cart, put